Kid and Penny are in the school bus. But there's lots of traffic.
Let's ride on the Dinosaur Bus!
This will be much more fun. Watch out, Miss Apple. Watch out, Potato. Watch out, Daddy. Your dinos need energy. He should eat some leaves. Pit, he needs your help. Oh no! A pterodactyl! That's better. It's a T-Rex! He's getting back up! Run! Hop on your dino's head! Yay! You made it to school! Make-believe is lots of fun!
Ketchup!
Be careful, little lemon! You hurt Penny.
You shouldn't run!
Now Penny's lunch is ruined. But Pit will share his lunch. Little Lemon is making a mess.
No, no, no! No trash!
Little Lemon will have to clean it up.
Aww. Duh.
The school cafeteria is for eating, not for playing.
What's Little Lemon up to?
Hey!
No.
It isn't forbidden.
Because everybody burps. Blueberry's busy daydreaming. Miss Apple doesn't look happy.
Let's check it.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Great!
Blueberry drew a picture instead of doing her math.
You should listen to your teacher.
Penny will help.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You did it, Blueberry!
job, girls!
It's basketball time!
What's happened?
Little Lemon hurt Blueberry with the ball.
You can't hurt your classmates!
Don't be a bully.
You have to follow the school rules.
I'm sorry.
See? It's better when we all get along. Here comes Lime, Perry, Blueberry, and Cherry. Wait, Pit and Penny are missing. Otto doesn't think anyone is on the bus. Wake up, Penny.
We have slept through our stop.
Pit and Penny stayed up late playing video games. Then they were really tired in the morning. They sat at the back of the bus and fell asleep. Penny doesn't know what to do. And Pit can't open the doors.
No! We are locked!
Is there another way to get out? Yes! There's an emergency exit! Well done, Penny!
Hooray! We are free!
The wind is too strong and it blocked the exit. Now it's stuck. Maybe there's another way out.
There's also a hatch in the roof!
But how will Pit reach it? Be careful, Pit. Can you think of something, Penny? The broom can reach the hatch.
Huh?
But how do we get to this hatch? Great! So adults can hear us!
Honking the horn is a great idea. Officer Pumpkin and Miss Apple can hear the honking. Pit and Penny are safe.
You saved us!
No, you saved yourselves.
If you're stuck on the bus, use the emergency exit immediately. Or use a horn to send a signal to an adult.
Penny is helping some ducklings cross the road. Pit is helping too. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon. And he's stealing a police car.
The ducklings are safe! Mission complete!
But Mr. Lemon stole your police car.
We need to catch him!
Penny knows who to call.
We need backup!
Officer Pumpkin is here to help.
Hey!
Hop in, Pit and Penny. Let's go catch that thief.
You can't hide from us!
Mr. Lemon has some tricks up his sleeve. They made it past the traffic cones.
Oh no! He's getting away!
How will Mr. Lemon get through the lake? He'll float across. Officer Pumpkin's truck won't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
Officer Pumpkin has a plan. Don't hit all the buttons, Pit.
Please press this button!
Phew, that's better. Now the truck can drive across. A thumbtack will pop Mr. Lemon's getaway raft.
I surrender! Well done, kids.
But what about their car? Here's a new one they can use. Thanks, Officer Pumpkin.
Oh no! Who will save the children?
It's Super Carrot, and he's just in time. Super Carrot saves the day.
Yay!
Thank you, Superhero Carrot. Say cheese. Oh, it was just a story in Pit's favorite comic book. Pit has a cavity. What do you think, Mommy?
We need to go to the dentist!
Pit is afraid of the dentist. Maybe reading your comic will help.
Okay!
Hello, Dr. Carrot. Pit thinks Dr. Carrot is scary.
Sorry.
Dr. Carrot has an idea. Look who's here, Pit. Pit is no longer scared of the dentist. Who will save the children this time? It's Super Carrot and Pit. The evil tooth didn't stand a chance. Smile, Pit. Your cavity is gone. Dentists can be super too. The kids are fighting over a toy.
I'll play with the robot!
No!
Here's your toy!
Maybe Mommy can help.
If you can't decide, I can play with the robot. Ooh.
Pit, Penny, go grab another toy.
Let's play!
Oh no, Mr. Lemon robbed a bank. Penny will stop him. Get him, Pit! Penny's been caught.
Help me!
Pit's been caught too. Who will save them? Mommy will.
Stay here, honey.
Can Mommy stop Mr. Lemon? Of course she can.
Got you.
Careful, kids. Don't bounce too hard. Look, Mr. Lemon is getting away.
No! We lost him! Because of you!
No, it was you.
Mommy has an idea.
We need to catch him together.
Time for some teamwork.
Follow me.
Pit and Penny and Mommy saved the day.
Mom, you got him. No, we did it together. Now you can take turns playing with the robot.
It's always best to work and play together. Pit and Penny are playing with their toy plane. It's gone over the fence. Go around the fence, Pit. There's the plane. It landed in the street. Stop, kids! It's Officer Pumpkin. The traffic light is red.
Mustn't cross the road on the red light. The road is very dangerous.
You have to watch for cars.
And what should we do?
Here comes the green light. You can go.
Green means it is safe, but…
Don't run. Oh!
someone else needs help.
Has anyone seen my glasses?
Officer Pumpkin will help find them. Harry found the plane. Pit would like it back, please.
No! I found it!
Now the plane's across the road. But it isn't safe to be there.
Red light!
The children need help.
Oh!
Officer Pumpkin found some glasses. Are they yours, Mr. Potato?
These are not my glasses. Ha! And here are my glasses. Oh!
Officer Pumpkin, the children need you.
Oh! Calm down, kids. Let's go.
Follow Officer Pumpkin. Phew, everyone's safe.
Children, be careful on the road and always wait for the green light.
We've got it!
Stop! The light is red. It's green.
Let's go, Pete!
Oh! What's that?
Yes, we've done it!
Well done. Pit and Penny are helping Mommy shop. And Pit thinks they should get junk food.
Yes!
These snacks are unhealthy.
Sorry, Pit. Junk food is not good for you. Pit has a plan. While Mommy is paying for groceries, Pit sneaks his junk food onto the counter. Oh, Pit. It's bedtime.
Good night, kids.
Good night, Mommy!
But Pit is not ready to go to sleep. He wants to eat his chips. Be careful, Pit, or you'll get an upset tummy. Pit is having a dream. Yikes! It's the T-Rex 2000! Run, Pit! Who will save Pit now? Super Mommy to the rescue! Watch out, Mommy! Phew! Everyone is safe.
Yay!
Pit has a tummy ache. Mommy will save the day. Again.
Thank you, Mommy!
Pit, don't eat unhealthy snacks.
Okay.
Oh.
Night-night, you two.
Here comes the oh! Out of my way!
I'll get more passengers!
Let's see who the better bus driver is. Miss Apple needs a bus. Who will get to her first?
I'll go around the traffic.
Can Penny catch up?
Watch out! Oh, my wig! I'll use the ramp. I'm beating Penny.
I'm a winner!
I'll beat you next time.
Mr. Potato needs the bus.
Stay on the road.
is first again.
Penny will never catch up now.
Keep trying, Penny.
You got us wet. Sorry.
Hop on Penny's bus, kids.
Now me and Pit are tied. I'll show her.
There are 3 passengers left. Pit went through a red light. Oh no, Pit, watch out!
I'll be more careful.
I'm scared.
My bus fell apart.
And they don't want to take it.
Take my bus instead.
Wait for us! Penny, Pit's bus is stuck.
Careful driving is better than speed.
Everyone arrived safely.
What is it, Pit?
Thank you. Now I will always drive carefully.
That's a great idea, kids. Here comes the school bus. Slow down.
Hello,
Pit and Penny knocked over Miss Apple. Help Miss Apple up, please.
You can't run on the bus.
Sorry.
Find your seats. Penny buckles up. Pit doesn't like wearing seatbelts. See what happens, Pit? Pit, you must obey the signs.
You need to fasten your seatbelt on the bus.
Blueberry brought snacks. A banana for Penny. A banana for Pit. And chips for herself. But you shouldn't eat on the bus. What does the sign say?
You can't eat on the bus, especially unhealthy foods.
Penny, it's nice to share, but you should put those snacks away. It's Lime, and he's late for the bus.
Don't miss the bus.
Lime, watch out!
This is why you can't eat on the bus.
Your litter can hurt other people. Your banana peels belong in the trash. Lime is bored. He made a paper airplane. Now all the kids want to make one. But don't throw them on the bus. They covered the driver's window. Hold on, kids! Phew, everyone is safe.
This is very dangerous to play games on the bus.
I'm sorry.
Time for school. Kid forgot his bag.
Oh. Don't forget your things on the bus.
Now you can have fun at school. Bye, kids.
Oh.